Have you ever contemplated the idea of a robotic whiteboard that has the ability to transcribe and illustrate your tweets and Slack messages in the physical realm? Are you interested in purchasing this incredible gadget that features magnetized floating lid compartments specifically designed to organize your daily essentials while also serving as a sizable fidget toy? Are you interested in the opportunity to work in this versatile garden office pod that provides a serene and tranquil space for moments of seclusion and rejuvenation? The assortment of cool gadgets we have curated today is truly worth checking out. Revov Tray Box. Revov takes organization to a whole new level with its effortless design resembling a turntable for your belongings. It simplifies the process so seamlessly that keeping everything in order becomes a breeze. With its convenient top tray, Revov allows you to effortlessly stack and revolve your carry items, enabling swift and effortless storage and retrieval. Experience the ease and efficiency of quickly accessing your belongings with this innovative storage solution. Revov is designed to accommodate all your essentials, from your wallet and glasses to your watch, phone, headphones, and any other items you carry. With its sleek and stylish brown mahogany tones, Revov not only keeps your belongings organized and neat, however, it also adds an element of sophistication to your space, ensuring a clutter-free and visually appealing environment. The Revov not only offers practicality and organization, but also adds an element of entertainment with its fidget spinner feature. Enjoy the convenience of keeping your belongings neat and easily accessible while indulging in the fun of a fidget spinner, making it a delightful and versatile addition to your daily routine. 4T7 Smart Chopping Board. For kitchen gadget enthusiasts and health food aficionados, there's great news to celebrate. A smart chopping board has arrived on the market. Rejoice, as this innovative culinary tool combines cutting-edge technology with the pursuit of a healthy lifestyle, promising to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. What capabilities does a smart chopping board possess? With its integrated scale and Bluetooth functionality, the 4T7 Smart Chopping Board offers a remarkable feature set. It allows you to effortlessly track your calorie intake as you prepare your daily meals, making it an invaluable tool for those who prioritize mindful eating and health-conscious cooking. The built-in scale can accurately measure weights of up to 6.6 pounds. The gram scale provides precise measurements with an accuracy of 0.1 gram, and it also includes a timer function to ensure meticulous cooking. The Smart Board system facilitates effortless board interchangeability, offering a range of options tailored to specific needs. It includes an orange acrylic board designed for cutting vegetables with a built-in grater, a bamboo wooden board ideal for handling meats and fish, and an aluminum board specifically suited for grilling and defrosting. Its user-friendly design ensures seamless transitions between chopping, defrosting, and grilling, making it effortless to switch between tasks in an instant. An additional advantage is the integrated magnetic knife holder, which not only promotes organization, but also enhances kitchen safety. Magic Bricks. Embark on a captivating journey into the realm of fidgeting with your latest infatuation. Magic Bricks, a mesmerizing ensemble of enchanting wooden magnetic bricks that effortlessly glide through your fingers, exuding an irresistible velvety touch and emanating boundless joy. Leave the memories of 2017's fidget spinners far behind, for what awaits you now are extraordinary multi-fidget tools, granting you the power to effortlessly toss, glide, and fidget to your heart's content, from dawn's first light to the enchanting dusk of each day. With the magnetic core pulsating at the heart, these captivating wonders turn throwing and catching between the bricks into an exhilarating spectacle of joy, where every toss is a moment of playful magic and every catch is a triumph of skill and delight. Immerse yourself in a vibrant world of possibilities as you discover the kaleidoscope of 5 captivating colors at your fingertips. With a myriad of choices, mix and match the bricks to your heart's desire, ensuring a harmonious coordination that lasts throughout the day, effortlessly granting you a fresh and stylish look that leaves an everlasting impression. COFFEEBOXX. When it comes to durability and toughness, there is simply no match for the COFFEEBOXX, an unrivaled coffee maker that stands tall as the epitome of ruggedness. Let your imagination run wild with the sheer ruggedness of the COFFEEBOXX. Envision a coffee maker so robust that it can effortlessly brew 10 cups of aromatic delight while confidently withstanding the weight of an automobile. I understand your thoughts. Why would one need a coffee maker capable of supporting a car? The answer is simple: because it's undeniably cool. The COFFEEBOXX takes durability to the next level, being spill-proof and dust-proof, designed to withstand even the harshest conditions. In fact, its resilience is so remarkable that you could practically attempt to blow it up without causing any harm. Prepare to witness ruggedness taken to its utmost limits with this extraordinary coffee maker. It epitomizes resilience and durability, standing as a testament to the pinnacle of ruggedness. With the assurance of this coffee maker's durability, you can effortlessly toss it into the back of your truck and embark on thrilling off-road adventures, all while leaving behind any worries of spilling a drop of precious coffee along the way. Not a fan of coffee? No worries at all. These remarkable machines serve a dual purpose, allowing you to conveniently heat up water and prepare a refreshing cup of tea with equal ease and efficiency. Embrace the perfect companion for your camping adventures or demanding construction sites where the relentless force of heavy, loose objects crashing down becomes a commonplace occurrence. This ingenious whiteboard seamlessly adapts to any setting, effortlessly finding its place, whether it be the comforts of home or the bustling atmosphere of the office. Its versatility knows no bounds, allowing you to unlock the power of creative expression and organized thinking with utmost convenience and elegance. The manufacturer took the concept of an ordinary whiteboard and ingeniously elevated its functionality by incorporating the ability to wirelessly receive and draw sketches. This innovative addition allows for seamless collaboration and creativity, empowering users to effortlessly share ideas and bring them to life with the touch of a stylus. When it comes to conducting remote presentations, worry not, as this solution has got you covered. With its versatile features and capabilities, seamlessly delivering a compelling and engaging remote presentation becomes an effortless endeavor. Let the whiteboard take charge of bringing your diagrams to life as you eloquently articulate and discuss them. With this remarkable feature, your words and visuals harmoniously blend together, ensuring a captivating and dynamic presentation experience. Looking to impress and delight your guests? Look no further, as achieving the perfect surprise becomes effortlessly easy with the help of this remarkable solution. Unveiling a special and captivating feature known as 365 Days of Art, this remarkable solution invites you to embark on a journey of artistic inspiration, offering a daily dose of creativity and beauty that will leave you inspired throughout the entire year. If you work at a coffee shop or restaurant, prepare to revolutionize your menu management. With the ability to update the menu in real time, you can now offer your customers a dynamic and engaging experience that they will absolutely adore. Transforming your backyard or garden into an incredible home office, the Dzome Office Pod stands out as an extraordinary pop-up workspace. Crafted with a deep appreciation for nature, the Dzome maintains the serenity and tranquility of your backyard with its thoughtful design. With its robust construction, featuring 75mm of insulation, overlapping steel segments, and double-glazed windows, this pod effortlessly withstands the elements, ensuring a comfortable environment throughout the year. Enjoy its cooling effect during the scorching summer months and relish the cozy warmth it provides during the chilly winter season. However, the Dzome surpasses mere office functionality, showcasing remarkable versatility. It can effortlessly transform into a serene yoga studio, a cozy movie viewing room, an immersive gaming pod, or even a vibrant music jam space. The possibilities are endless with this adaptable structure. Dzome is offering a limited production of only 10 units for the entire year, making them highly sought after and scarce. While acquiring one might prove challenging, the exceptional value and quality they offer make the effort truly worthwhile.